In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact sellers on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to write a message that gets helpful, timely responses. Start by opening your web browser and heading to vinted.com. You can browse freely without signing in, but to send a message to a seller, you'll need to be logged into your account. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen instructions and then come back to the listing you want to discuss. Next, use the search bar at the top to look for the item you have in mind. Type clear keywords like the brand, item type, size, or color. To narrow things down, adjust the filters for size, condition, price range, and location. Sorting by newest or price can also help you spot the best options quickly. Take a moment to refine your search so you're looking at items that truly match what you want. When something catches your eye, click the listing to open its product page. This page is your hub for details. Browse all photos, read the full description, and check the condition, size, fabric, and any notes about wear. Look at shipping options and delivery estimates, and take a quick glance at the seller's ratings and how recently they were active. If the listing already answers your questions, great. If not, you're ready to reach out. To contact the seller, find and click the Ask Seller button, typically located near the price or buy options. This opens a chat box where you can send a message directly to the seller. Keep your message polite, concise, and specific. For example, ask for exact measurements, additional photos of areas you care about, details on fabric or authenticity, or clarification on any flaws mentioned. If you're considering multiple items from the same seller, you can let them know you're exploring a bundle while keeping all communication within the platform. Avoid sharing personal contact details and keep the conversation and any transactions on Vinted to benefit from the platform's protections. If English isn't the seller's first language, simple, straightforward wording helps reduce confusion. Including your size or fit preferences can also help the seller give a precise answer. After you send your message, it will appear in your Vinted inbox, and the seller will receive a notification. You'll be able to see when they reply by checking your messages or noticing the chat icon badge at the top of the site. If you don't see the Ask Seller button, the listing might be reserved or inactive, or you may need to refresh the page or sign in. That's all there is to it. Go to vinted.com, search for your item, open the listing, and click Ask Seller to start a helpful, friendly conversation. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.